2 videos in 1 day, boys. This video is probably going to be posted later. It may look familiar too. The Merry Christmas one. That was fun. But yeah. Some people, mainly people at my school, because no one comments on my videos, so. They asked how I got this bike. Well, let me tell you. So, I got it, you know, I'll probably put the text messages on here. I got it from my dad's friends. He, I guess his buddy, my dad's buddy, okay, hold on. My dad's buddy's buddy, okay, hear me out. So, my dad's buddy's buddy, got this from, like I said, his buddy. And he didn't, it was kind of a piece of crap. But you know, me being the match mechanic I am, you know. Of course I fixed it. So I don't have any brakes on this thing, so I can't really. It's kind of scary doing this, but yeah, he didn't want to take the time to rebuild it. And my dad, I guess he's good friends with my dad. And he asked my dad, hey, he knows me. He knows, like, does your son want a dirt bike? So I was like, so my dad texted me. I was like, well, yeah. And I was like, is that even a question? Of course I want a dirt bike, and it's free. Sign me the up. So yeah, basically, of course I'm taking it. This is scary. Ow. So yeah, obviously I took it. I mean, like, how retarded would I be if I did not take that? Okay, see what I'm saying? So yeah, I took it. My dad picked it up same day. Keep in mind, same day. He brought it with him to work. So yeah, we snatched that thing up like crazy. So we snapped it up real fast, bring it home. I was at my mom's house, so you know I didn't get to work on it immediately. So yeah, and if you don't know, I switched weeks. Weeks with my parents. So that week when I actually got the bike, I was at my mom's house, so I had to wait like I think like 4-ish days so I could go back to my dad's house to see it. I had it. It didn't really run at all. So I got the CDI, and I got everything for it, you know. Now this thing runs like a charm. I just need to put put more air in the rear tire. It needs a new rear tire too. So we're yeah. But now this thing runs like a beauty. I'm gonna buy a whole new gaskets for it and everything, just to ensure that everything's gonna work fine for a really long time. And this thing's gonna be a real champ, you know. So yeah, that's how I got this bike. I got it the same day. I got it for free. Actually, I got it for free. I didn't pay anything for this. Ow. I didn't. Literally nothing. This thing is just got for free. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head home now. So yeah. That's how I got this bike. So yeah, I'm probably gonna post this video a little later than my Christmas video, because I'm filming this at 24th, just same day as that Christmas video. So yeah, as soon as I get home, this is my last time riding it until I get the new plastics and everything. I'm gonna tear everything apart, clean it very well. I'm gonna paint the rims. Paint the rims white. That's not the color I'm gonna get the plastics. And if you can guess the plastics right, I don't know. I'll probably try it. I'll mail you something. I'll mail you like a gift, a little surprise. If you can guess it right, it's a pretty crazy color. It kind of looks like this, but it's not really red. So yeah. May the odds be with you. Watch this. Boom, boy.